Good morning. It is just after 8 o'clock in the morning. Got myself all packed up, leaving the Econo Lodge in Christiansburg. I was here for 2 nights, resting up, letting my ribs heal a little bit after flipping my trike. And I do feel a lot better, a lot more rested. And noticed that just taking a little ibuprofen is making a big difference. So hopefully today's ride will go well. All right, Myrtle, come on, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. About 8:28, and really had to make a pretty big detour to stay at the hotel that I was at, but there really weren't any options closer to the Trans Am bike route. So I've already put in 4 miles, but I am back on the Trans-America bike trail. Still heading out of Christiansburg. Oh my gosh, I have had such a morning already. I just have a terrible, terrible sense of direction. And what I really like to do is use the adventure cycling maps. I have the paper map, I have the digital map, and also plug it into Google Maps so that I can listen to the directions in my AirPods. And this morning I could not get Google Maps to plot the adventure cycling map. And I thought, okay, no problem. And of course I went the wrong way. So I ended up like going up and over a mountain. The road was actually called Lovely Mountain Road. And then I come to the town of Radford and I turn the wrong way. And telling someone to go ahead of me, and I turned the wrong way, so I end up going just up another huge hill. So I've done my shopping, and now I think I have the adventure cycling map, the route plotted into Google Maps, and I'll be able to listen to the directions in my ear, and hopefully I won't get lost anymore today. Leaving Radford. Definitely on the route, nicely marked, and there's a welcome cyclist sign for the Trans-America Trail. Welcome to Pulaski County, Virginia. It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, it's just been absolutely gorgeous. These roads in Virginia, oh my gosh, so beautiful, and everybody so far has been very, very polite, waiting if it isn't safe, giving me enough room, passing with enough room. But mostly the roads have been very, very quiet, very scenic. And it's just been a sensational ride. Oh, that looks like something historic. Waterworks, 1870. Oh, and the views have just been fantastic. So I'm more than halfway through my ride today. Wow, look at that. How cool, huh? Oh, and I love these. Speed limit 25. Your speed 16. All right, 14, 15. All right. Approaching the town of Draper, which I think is an Amish community. Oh, love that. I have made it to Max Meadows, Virginia today. Really beautiful here. I'm camping. This is an RV park right on a creek, I guess. Some people are fishing here. It's lovely. And today's ride was very nice, very scenic, beautiful countryside. And I did 47 miles and about 3,400 feet of climbing. So you can see Myrtle is here. So this is an RV park, and there are tent sites. They're $15 to set up a tent, and there's no electricity or water, but there's a little gazebo here. So it has electricity, so I have my batteries charging up. I haven't decided where I'm going to set up my tent. I'm actually thinking about setting it up in this little gazebo, so I won't have to put up the fly, and I think it's going to be level. So yeah, it's, the next few days is going to be a lot of climbing. This is going up and over the Appalachian Mountains, and I'm a little nervous about it. Although the last couple of days I've been doing quite a bit of climbing, and you know what? It's really been okay. My ribs are still sore, but they are improving, and I'm not having any issues with riding my trike because of rib soreness. I think it's just gonna take some time. I guess there's not really much I can do, but luckily it's not affecting my trike riding. So, you know, I'm actually pretty grateful that things aren't worse. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for following along, and welcome to Max Meadows, Virginia.